In this video, we're going to learn how to convert percentages into decimals. So if we have a problem like this that says, convert 35% into a decimal. So the first step is to remember that a percent is 1 part out of 100. That's all it is. A certain part out of 100. So if we're going to work with 1%, 1% is 1 part out of 100, and that equals 0.01 in decimal form. And if you take a look at some of my other videos, and I have links to those videos in the description, I have details on why 1 over 100 is 0.01. And basically, when you take the number 1, there's a decimal spot at the end of it here. And because there's 2 zeros in 100, you move the decimal over 2 times. 1, 2. And then in this empty spot, you put in a 0, right? So 1, 2. So it's like an egg carton, I like to call it. And if there's an empty spot in the egg carton, you fill it with an egg, a 0. And then make sure you put the decimal. And that's it. And so now we can go ahead and just like above, to change a percent to a decimal, divide the percent number by 100. So here the percent number was 1. We divided it by 100 and just moved the decimal over twice. So that's what we're going to do for 35. So 35% equals 35 over 100. So when we move the decimal here behind the 5, 1, 2, the decimal goes here. Here it is. And that's the end. There's no need to fill in any empty spots because 35 didn't have anything empty, right? So we didn't have to put any eggs into the egg crate. And that's pretty much the end. And the final tip, because you are dividing by 100, move the decimal behind 35, 2 spaces left. There are 2 zeros in 100, so that's why you move it 2 spaces to the left. So that's something just to remember. And that's the end of this lesson. And if you don't understand that right away, don't worry, just rewind the video and watch it again. There's nothing wrong with repetition. And make sure to check out the description for those videos I was talking about. As well, you could download my ebook and you could follow along in the ebook this exact lesson. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.